Okay, everybody, this was Pete with Drainage Technology Solutions, distributor for HydroBlox on the West Coast and also the installation contractor for HydroBlox based systems. We're in the San Francisco Bay Area, and what you're looking at is a yard that this is right after a heavy storm. Actually, yeah, a heavy storm for the last, I don't know, 18 hours or so. And what we did was we put a run of HydroBlox underneath here. I've got pictures to support it, and you'll be able to see on the website. We connected this downspout. There's another downspout at the other corner we connected. All the water is going out over the hill. And then we put a dog leg 45 degree angle right underneath here, connecting through the bark. And then we have this run coming through, connecting to this run. And then we have a run from alongside the house going back about 15 feet, coming through here, connecting to the main run. So this is sort of the main trunk line, and that main trunk line goes out over the hill. Now this is the homeowner, so this is a real life testimonial as to what this used to be or was at the last storm. So go ahead, ma'am, let us know.
So on December 31st, I came out here at about 1 p.m. during that crazy storm, and there was a massive puddle from here all the way out to the middle of the lawn, and so that's when I called Pete. And he came out, and in 2 days he installed a HydroBlox, and you can tell after this latest storm there is no puddle here.
So do you think with the volume of water we had with last night's storm and this morning, if the system wasn't installed that we just put in yesterday?
It'd be cooling right here.
Nice, nice. All right, well there you guys heard it. That's real life from the homeowner. And for more information, go to drainage-technology.com. Again, drainage-technology.com, or you can go to hydrobloxwest.com. That's HydroBlox with an X. And it's Pete from Northern California signing off.